Fast, accurate, with Jennifer Copeland and Rick Shutt. You're watching WSBT-22 News at 6.
Well, 20 years. That's how long a judge sentenced a Granger woman to prison in the death of her newborn.
The judge told Purvi Patel she was the only one who could have offered her infant the help he needed. Instead, Patel, quote, took away any chance that baby had to survive when she threw him in the trash. WSBT-22's Kelly Stopsinski sat in on Patel's sentencing hearing today, and Kelly, her parents were in that courtroom with her today.
Jennifer, Patel spoke very briefly with them and hugged them just before officers led her away in handcuffs. And they weren't the only people there supporting her.
I don't think it's justice.
It's a group that's followed Purvi Patel's case from the beginning. Indiana's Religious Coalition for Reproductive Justice says Patel's neglect and feticide convictions and 20-year prison sentence will criminalize women who have problems with a pregnancy or want to end it.
I am stunned. I am devastated, not just for Purvi, but for what this means for Indiana.
The group also says the media sensationalized Patel's story from the beginning by focusing on the dumpster where she left the baby boy rather than why she did it.
I think this will dissuade women from going out and getting medical help, because if they are thinking about an abortion or if they're worried, they are going to be worried about being criminalized.
But St. Joseph Superior Court Judge Elizabeth Hurley told Patel at sentencing evidence showed her pregnancy was healthy, and with proper medical care, that baby had a chance of surviving. Hurley went on to say Patel abused her position of trust over her newborn and treated it literally as a piece of trash. Regardless of what your intent was when you took the medication or attempted to end the pregnancy, evidence showed beyond a reasonable doubt that child was born alive, Hurley said. You were the only person that could have offered him the help he needed.
She had the means. She was going to doctors for other things. She discussed going to a doctor with her friend. You know, she lived in a nice home, had a Cadillac SRX vehicle, so she was not an indigent person who couldn't afford medical care.
Judge Hurley told Patel the facts that she had no previous criminal history and that she wrote the judge a letter showing remorse for what she did were significant factors in her sentencing decision. Even though the judge sentenced Patel to 20 years in prison, she probably will not serve more than 10 because of day-for-day credit. After that, she'll be on probation for 5 years. Patel's lawyer, Jeff Sanford, told me the sentence could have been worse. Both Patel and Sanford said they plan to appeal. That has to be filed in the next 30 days. Rick?